everyone. Welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to record a payment. So, you sent an invoice to your client earlier and they have made a payment. Here's how to record the payment. Click on Sales. Here you see all invoices created. Select the invoice you would like to record a payment for. Click on Record Payment. Type in the amount paid by your client. And you can also record the mode of payment. You can also send an email to your client just to keep them up to date on the status of their payment, or rather of their transaction. Click on Add Payment. The payment status changes. That is how to record a payment on Vencru. Hello everyone, welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to record a sale. So, you've made a sale and you want to record it. Go to Sales. Select Create New. You can record sales on Vencru either as an invoice or as a receipt. An invoice if the client hasn't paid fully, and as a receipt if the product has been paid for fully. So you add your client. A new client can be added here. And if you ship this product to your client, you can add a shipping address here. Select Add Item. You could create a new item here, or you could just add the item created earlier. Put in the quantity and your tax. If you give a discount, you can add it here, either as a percentage or as a flat rate. You could also add a shipping fee. Then you can indicate here how the payment was made, either as a bank transfer, through POS, an online payment, or it was paid in cash. You can also edit the date issued here. You can preview your receipts just to ensure that everything looks right. And you can send it via email or WhatsApp to your client. You can save your invoice as your receipt there. Your receipt shows up here under Sales. And that's how to record a payment on Vencru.